Okay, so we're going to take a look at a question from the 2023 HSC Standard 2 Maths paper. This is question 16. We're told the graph shows Peter's heart rate in beats per minute during the first 60 minutes of a marathon. A, what was Peter's heart rate 20 minutes after she started? And B, Peter started the marathon at 10 a.m. At what time would her heart rate first reach 140 beats per minute? Okay. So we have a little graph. It's not perfectly scaled. It looks like this. From the graph, it starts at about 70. The time scale goes up to 60. And at 60, it reaches about 150. So at what was Peter's heart rate 20 minutes after she started? Okay, so we're looking at 20 along this x-axis. If we trace this up, we can see that 20 gives us about 120 on the y-axis. So this is the y. So for part A, the answer is 120 beats per minute. So 120, and this is beats per minute. So this is what we're after for part A. For part B, we're asked, Peter started the marathon at 10 a.m. At what time would her heart rate first reach 140? So we need to find how many minutes it takes to reach 140. We can see from this graph that 140 minutes first happens at about 30. So 140 is up here. We trace this across. This traces down to 30 minutes. Now the x-axis in this case is the number of minutes after the marathon started. So this will be 10 a.m. plus 30 minutes. 10 a.m. plus 30 minutes is of course 10:30 a.m. So 10:30 a.m. is the time at which her heart rate first reaches 140 beats a minute. This is the answer. In terms of the marking is pretty straightforward. You get 1 mark for having the answer for A, and then you get 1 mark for having the answer for B, and that's it. So this is very simple marking. It's one of the easier questions in the paper, and this is how we do it.